pizza, don't touch my jelly. I don't like blue cheese cause it is really smelly. You touch my pizza, you're gonna have to die. Start writing your farewells and saying your goodbyes.
Buckiness that you can handle. Taking teammates for example. They all tried to have me wrangles, and I left them strangled, dude. From a friend to a friend to a buddy, and you had lemonade's very cutty. I'll watch your guts on my bird cause it's getting bloody.
Is it your birthday? Think I forgot it. Since it's not over, let's get to my topic. I'm sorry, Granny, pushing you down the stairs. I apologize, don't know why you think I don't care. I'm stuck in my freezer, turning into a Klondike bar. Don't know where I'm going, but I know I'm going far.
Shatter you to pieces once I hit you with my car. And if you somehow live, I know this song will leave you scarred.
Just a reminder, don't touch my pizza, or you regret it. You really will. I'll keep my composure, things will get out of hand. Don't know what I'm doing, I made this up for you. Just be yourself, man, it'll be alright. Don't let them test you, gotta put up a good fight.
I'm only kidding, you look like I knew. Since I got my clips, I'll be putting them on YouTube.
I'm stuck in my freezer, turning into a Klondike bar. I don't know where I'm going, but I know I'm going far.
Shatter you to pieces once I hit you with my car. And if you somehow